Alright, here we are, and welcome back. So in this video we'll be looking at Facebook, and why Facebook? Which is a pretty good question, right? Well, apart from being the world's #2 website with over 400 million subscribers and users, it makes it a powerful ally to be linking up to. And for our intents and purposes of marketing our listing, because that's what we're going to be doing in these next series of videos, is looking at what actions we need to be doing and taking in order to give that and harness that power of the internet for our particular listings that were going to propel us into the first spot, first page listings on Google. So with that having been said, we're going to just scroll down here, and you see this advertising tab down here. I want you to click on that, and that's going to take us back page. And we're not here to create an ad, which is what Facebook would love us to do, but we're here to create a page. And as you can see, if you really want to, you can read about Facebook pages, but it's a way of creating a presence. And what we want to do is create a page over here. So click on that tab, and that takes us through to the back, and lo and behold, we've got an official page to communicate with, and we've got create a page for a local business. That's what we want. Hit that radio button. Now you also got brand, product, or organization, artist, band, or public figure. So if you're doing this for your own business, obviously you're going to list yourself as a business, but it's not to say that you can't make listings for particular products or brands using these pages. It's all about getting out and promoting yourself, your website, and your presence out on the internet. And Facebook is a powerful community to be doing that. So we're a local business. You can hit down the drop down tab, and you have these selections of what types of business. It's not mandatory, you don't have to do it, but why not? Now we're going to create a page for McDonald's, and that's the page name. So it's important that you put your business name up here if it's your particular business that you're doing, or your client's business. I would put their name in here. Next, it's asking you to click this, that you're an official representative of this person, business, band, or product, and have permission to create this page. And then click create official page, and that's pretty much about it. And that should take you through to the next. Okay. So we hit a bit of a snag here. Alright, so it's saying that we can't use this name, it's approved, it's obviously copyrighted. So I'm going to hit the back. No, we're going to just put in a variation of the name. We're going to put in McDonald's. Click check the box and create official page. Alright, so it seems to be accepting it this time. I hope. I'll be really surprised if it doesn't. Sorry about that. So we're back here on the next page, and what we want to do is put in our details. So you want to go right here on the info tab, hit that, and then hit the edit information tab. And in here you want to put your address exactly as you started out with your business listing. So we're going to put in 174 George Street, Sydney, with 2000 as the zip, or what we call the postcode in Australia. You want to put in the telephone number. You've got hours operation as well, which I highly recommend that you put it in. And you fill out 7 AM till 5 PM. There you go. And you want to do that for all the days here, and then save changes when you're happy with that. Now, detailed information, you want to put in the website naturally. So I'm just going to put in McDonald's here for our example. Attire, yeah, you could go to details depending on what, if you're a restaurant or a disco, or something, an event space, whatever it may be. Payment options, you can put it, if you are a restaurant, you can definitely put a lot more about, well, obviously it's giving us this option because we've chosen restaurant. So culinary team, you can put down details of your team, general manager's name. Parking, if you've got street parking, yes. Then you can, what sort of public transport, buses, trains, whatever. Now, all this stuff isn't pertinent for our purposes, but it definitely will show that Facebook, that this is a genuine listing, page listing, and therefore it will show that to Google. So I'm just going to hit Save Changes here. I'm not going to go to everything. Just gives you a really good idea of what you need to do. And in particular, this up here, your website, you definitely want that in there. And and all the rest of the information all helps. So hit Save Changes on that. And finally, we're done editing, so we're going to click on that. And that's it for the information that we're looking at. And what we want to do over here, we definitely want to put in a picture of some sort, something that you're going to be happy with. Obviously, the more professional you can make it, the better. So put in a picture that you're going to be, as you would for your own Facebook profile if you've got one. You know what I'm talking about. And if you haven't, well, you can go on Facebook and have a look at the pictures, and everyone's got a different Facebook profile, and they change it all the time. So, and it's another thing of showing Facebook that you are a genuine listing. And the last thing I want to show you here is I want you to put in here your description. It can be the same one that you use for your listing over at Google Maps, or you can put in something else. It really doesn't matter particularly, but definitely fill that in. And lastly, two more things. It says here you can link your page to Twitter account. Now Twitter is also a top 10 site on the web, and a lot of social networking power in there. So I'm not going to cover Twitter in this video, but I will be covering it in the future videos. I just want to show that gives you that option there. There's obviously that they're working in unison, and there's some benefit for Facebook and Twitter to be doing that. But I did want to show you here that it says that you can share this page. Now, if you've been on Facebook, you've obviously seen pages being shared all the time from your friends and other people in your communities. Now, I would encourage you to share this page if you're happy with it. You're happy with the photos. And over here on the wall, there's one more other thing I want to show you, because I just realized I didn't show you, that you can add videos. And I definitely would recommend adding a video too. You can either record a video if you've got yourself set up with a webcam, or you can upload a video from your drive. And I would definitely do that, because it just shows yet again that you are a bona fide business and you're making use of this page and all its facilities and functions. But going back down here to sharing your page, well, sharing your page just means that you now have the option to present your page to your list of friends who can possibly present their page to their list of friends, and so on, making it viral. So that's the power of Facebook and creating a page. And definitely the more you can get out there being seen and having those details shared, the better the results are going to be for you and your listing, and ultimately the traffic that you're aiming for, the visitors to your website and listings, and your bottom line dollars. And that's what we're all about here. So I hope that you got a lot out of this, and that you are seeing that by putting in the steps and actions, you truly can be harnessing the power of Google, and particular Google Maps, and by following the videos step by step and showing that you do actually understand it and do take those actions that are being shown here and talked about, will get you those results, guaranteed.